Welcome. The digital revolution for graphics design occurred in the late 1980s to 1990s. This occurred when the use of digital computers and software shifted from analog methods. The digital revolution affected the approach, production, and delivery of graphically designed materials by allowing the users to make designs easier, faster, and with more detail. Traditional methods were done by hand. For example, in architecture, drawings were made with pen and pencil and huge sheets of paper. Nowadays, you can use digital programs like AutoCAD and SketchUp. The four areas we will touch upon in the digital revolution are editorial design, typography, photography, and illustration. The editorial design. PostScript is a page description language that was created by Adobe Systems in 1982, enabling the design of complete pages on screen. Aldus Corporation developed PageMaker in 1985, allowing users to create layouts and manipulate text. It was later bought by Adobe in 1995. Quark Express was the equivalent PC rival of PageMaker, created in 1987. In 1999, Adobe created InDesign, and by 2001, PageMaker was discontinued. Typography. Typeface has been around since the 1400s. The first typeface was black letter variety used in the Gutenberg Bible. PostScript fonts are outline font technology created by Adobe Systems in 1982. In 1984, Macintosh used bitmap fonts that serves as the default fonts for their computers. In 1984, Susan Carr created screen fonts for Macintosh. The low resolution dot pattern dictates the letter form design and jagged edges. In 1985, Summerstone font was created using Bezier's curves for laser printed text. In 1996, OpenType font was developed by Microsoft and Adobe. It was the first scalable computer font. Photography. The process of capturing images has been around since 1839 by Louis Daguerre. He developed the first commercially viable photographic process. The first digital camera prototype was created in 1975 by Steve Sasson while working at Eastman Kodak. The first digital camera available for consumers was the Fuji X DS1P in 1988. What highlights the Fuji X was its ability to store digital images on a memory card. In 1988, Nikon released the first commercially digital SLR camera. SLR stands for single lens reflex. It's a type of camera that uses mirror and prism system to allow the photographer to view through the lens and see exactly what will be captured. Photoshop, a graphics editor program, was created by Thomas and John Knoll in 1988. It was later bought by Adobe in 1995. Illustration. An MTV press kit cover designed by Pat Gorman is the forerunner of image invention made possible by digital computers. Her designs illustrated the creative potential of electronic image handling by creating color variations of the MTV logo. Woody Purcell's wireframe construction highlights early high-end digital editing and how images can be manipulated. Adobe Illustrator came out in 1988. Also in 1989, CorelDRAW was released. It was the PC rival of Adobe Illustrator. Future. What will the future bring to digital design? Digital programs already allow users with little technical knowledge to be creative with just the click of a mouse and keyboard. I think that AI will play a big part in graphic design as far as manipulating images and creating videos. It already can create videos of whatever you want, so it doesn't seem like that much of a stretch. AI will still need humans to tell them what they want to see as far as content, but that may change as well. I recently read that AI is starting to write its own code, so maybe humans won't be needed for the creative side, only to buy content